So in this video, I'm going to teach you on how to register for CRA account for the first time. So here's what you need to know. Decide if you need to register. So if you already have registered for an account, whether it is on business account or representing a client using a CRA, user ID and the password or sign-in partner, you cannot register again. Basically, you must use the same sign-in information if you already registered with to access your CRA account. So if you're not, then gather all your documents and your SIN or the social insurance number, your date of birth, as well as your amounts that you have reported on your most recent tax return. And after that, you will be needing a working camera and your Canadian passport or driver's license as well as your provincial or territorial photo ID card as well. And then choose a sign-in option to register with, which is the sign-in partner, CRA, user ID and password, and the provincial partner. So after that, you need to verify your identity, which is you need to submit a photo of yourself as well as your ID document and wait for the CRA security code. So it is actually takes up to 10 business days to review your identification. So after that, you need to enroll in multi-factor authentication or the MFA, and you will be required to enter a one-time passcode or OTP in addition to your password to sign in. So with the help of the authenticator application or even your phone number as well as your passcode grid, you have few options right here to do to enroll in MFA. So after that, you need to complete your identity verification, which is on the step 4. And after that, for represent the client only, you need to get an authorized access someone else information because you are representing some client. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.